In this lesson, we're going to learn about equivalent expressions. So if we have a problem like this that says write the equivalent expression for 5x plus 3x. So the first step is to understand the meaning of equivalent expression. So what it is two expressions are equivalent if they are the same when written in standard form. Okay, so that's the meaning. So let's combine like terms to write this in standard form. So 5x plus 3x equals 8x. We just add up all the terms that are the same. And because there's 5 of these and 3 of these, when we add them up, they become 8x. So 8x is the equivalent expression for 5x plus 3x. 8x is the standard form of 5x plus 3x. And those are the main things you need to understand when you're trying to figure out the equivalent expression. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, there's links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in there. There's a link that'll take you right to this video and you can follow along as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.